Hello and welcome to the Django GraphQL Query Fundamentals course. My name is Xander. This tutorial is part of a whole course playlist available for free on YouTube. For deeper learning, the extended course is available for purchase at Udemy. Now you'll find all the resources and links in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways. In this module, we'll focus on the fundamentals of creating Django models, the essential building blocks that define the structure of our database inside a Django project. Now, understanding models is a key part of working with Django. They connect our Python code to our database and control how data is organized, linked, and managed. Now, since this course uses Strawberry with Django, we'll be working with Django models as the foundation for our GraphQL schema. That said, it's worth noting that Strawberry doesn't require Django models. It can also work directly with the database or with plain Python classes. But for this course, especially early on, using Django models keeps things clear and structured, which is essentially helpful for newer developers. If you're already confident with Django models and feel comfortable setting up your own schema, feel free to skip ahead to later sections where we focus more on GraphQL itself. But if you're still learning or just want a solid recap, this module will guide you through everything you need to create Django models. So throughout this module, a quick recap of building Django models. I'll try and focus on clarity, simplicity, and practical use. So we won't necessarily cover everything there is to know about Django models, but just enough so that we can build Django models from a set design and then start using Django and Strawberry. So by the end of this module, you will have a foundational understanding of how to develop Django models within your Django project.